Dr. Mukul sangma nanglam keng persya ul ong ba udon ka video ban pynshisha bagadan ka jingtih beaiñ ya dewïong ba yakan ka video us Aisha ka sarkar.
I think let us be very clear on this issue. This has been happening for last few years. What you're listening to or what you're hearing from the media reports based on what has probably happened in the preceding few days is only the tip of the iceberg. Even as we say now, illegal mining is going on. Okay? Even as I say now, I will show you a video clip. Okay? And I'll give it to the government to take cognizance of these developments. It is a question of whether government is serious to take cognizance of what is happening and be honest to the responsibilities to protect the interests of the state, which is not happening. That means there is a malafide intention by the people in authority. This is actual mining happening. Okay. Okay. With all your coordinates, if it is possible for the LO to have this, government with the whole machinery, how they can have? When not just once, but for so many times, not only the opposition, so many people have been of the government. This is exactly okay. Huge. It continues with complete impunity, with no fear.
And where is this place, sir?
I'll give you the coordinates, okay? Then you find where it is happening.
When was this?
Let us